how to add GIFs to Slack. So here I am in the general channel of my Slack, and I am going to search for /Giphy, like so. And after we have typed /Giphy, we will press enter, and it will show us this. To use this command, you need to add the Giphy integration. So just click on this blue hyperlink, and you will be referred to the Giphy integration. So we will click on add here, and then we can choose where we want to add it or what type we want to add, so general audiences. And we can enable Giphy previews as well, and we will select save integrations or integration. And now if we go back to our Slack and type out /Giphy, then we can type out for a specific text here, so Giphy/monkey, for example. Then as you can see, now I have applied or replied with a monkey GIF here, and we can send this by pressing on send. And again, if I type out /Giphy, and we can type out cat, if I press on enter, we will see this cat GIF. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.